Oh, yeah,
I
oh,
didn't know
yeah.
you could, so I thought,
Yeah, but it's just gonna be slower on the striding skis because there, has that pattern, so it has a little bit of friction there.
Okay.
So that's why.
because of the scales.
Yeah, because it's scale.
Well, if I thought about it a couple times, it's the end of.
There you go, what, 5'7"?
I'm from, 8. It's different poles.
Yeah, they have to be taller poles. So a little bit more closer to the shin. And about how tall is he?
Same,
Same